This video will demonstrate how to link from one of your slides to a Schoology discussion or other Schoology item. So on this slide it says click here to participate in a Schoology discussion. So I'm going to highlight that text and then I'm going to use the keyboard command Command K to get a spot for a link. I have another tab open that has the history folder, so you can link to that, or I'm going to actually link directly to the discussion, so I have that open in another tab. I will copy the Schoology link, the URL at the top there, and then go back and paste that in that spot and click apply. So you can see that that changed the color, the font color, and it also underlined it. If I don't want that, I can just highlight that and swap it back to the color of my choice, and I can remove the underline by tapping on the underline there. And there you go. Now when you tap on that text, it will automatically open the Schoology discussion right there.